Today we are going to post a new one in LinkedIn. That is so Insuregram needs sales telecallers. So I'm just going to paste here. Insuregram needs sales telecallers. Freshers need graduation completed and any 2 languages. So again, we can post it as English mandatory, salary up to 13K. So we have mentioned the experience, the languages, and whether if it is graduation or experienced, and the timings, incentives is there separately. So that is also mentioned here. So we have also mentioned 2 of the interns who is working on this as of now today. So that is one is Vamsi and another one is Ankita. So we can again just paste this. This is mandatory everywhere. HighesPlacements.com, free job portal. And Ash Jobs 2019 BPO services, voice and banking. So I have just logged in into the LinkedIn. So I have mentioned here incentives. So instead of writing incentives, apart from incentives, apart from salary. So it is understood. So whom should I contact? Both of the interns. So where they can very well call in this number. And we have just mentioned here. So this is BPO. This is for non-IT. So right away, I'm just posting it here.
Recording in progress.
So I hope you're able to see now, right?
Yes.
To see. Insuregram.
Yes.
Okay. So that's how. So we have another one IT requirement also. This is for Java. The client is, this is also we are planning to post it today. So that is again how we posted for non-IT. The same we are doing it for IT also. So for I have Prakash here for contact. So just arrange it properly because it has to be like one by one. So we have mentioned here, hi everyone, hello everyone, good morning to you. On a high priority, I'm looking for Java lead for Hyderabad location. The client is Wipro. So positions are 5 Java developers, lead is mandatory, and experience we have already mentioned for Java, and 2 years experience in Spring Boot, JPA and REST web services. And what is the experience they require? What is the knowledge they have? So note, if you have any suitable profiles, submit this to the www.highesplacements.com. The same I am even for IT, I'm posting in LinkedIn. So right now I have posted IT and non-IT, IT and non-IT for Insuregram and even for Wipro. So you are able to see, I hope so. The same we are going to do even in Facebook. The same which we are going to paste it for IT, especially what we have done right now. In Facebook, I've just logged in my ID. The same matter which we have done it for LinkedIn, the same we are doing it for even in Facebook also. So here in Facebook, we have different groups. So many IT groups are there where we post to join in the groups. Everyone in who are already there in the group, they'll be able to see view the JD. So I'm just posting it right now. This is for Facebook, which I have done. So you are able to see this. So we have, if we want to join the group, we can just IT groups, IT jobs in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad. So you can see so many are there. See how many, 3 groups are there. Let's join one by one. See, we have already IT jobs in Hyderabad. It is asking for join now. So we have just joined and it is requested. We have just requested the group. So whatever we have posted in the main group, that is also if we join, if the request is approved. So you can see, you will be notified if your request to join has been approved. So if it is approved, the job seekers can see our job postings even in this website also, in this group also. So whatever we have already joined. So IT jobs in Hyderabad who are already there in this group. Can you see so many members? Almost 11.4K members are able to see our post, what we have done. Today we have posted. So if it is approved, automatically they can see. See, one more group is there. So it is again asking for join group. One more public group. So I'm just joining. Okay. So when I joined the group, it is already joined. So we'll see whether ours is there or not. So when we have joined the group, it's a public group, right? So everybody will be able to see whatever we have posted. Like this, whatever we have posted in the group, ours also will be, the job seekers will be able to see our postings, which we have done here. See, there are so many groups are there. Jobs in Hyderabad. One more group. This is the 3rd group which we are joining. So as much as groups, if we join, we'll be able to get so many calls. Hyderabad job search, almost 3.4. So it's requested for a job group. So many postings I have done. So this is also one more group which we have joined. One more group. Just join the group, that's all. So the job seekers will be able to see the postings. especially for IT jobs. One more group is there. So we have to spread our wings how much ever possible, because there is almost thousands and thousands who are seeking for the jobs. So try to join the group in this also. There'll be already there'll be a member. See here also jobs for freshers and experienced. IT and software. So you can join in this group also. So many are there. So ours also will be viewed by the jobs. So we have almost joined 8 groups as of now. Here, job openings, BPO, IT, voice and non-voice process. So this might also be sometimes helpful for us. So this also I'm joining the group. So many are there. International business process outsourcing. So as of now, we have done 9 postings. So one more we will complete as 10 groups. We will do it today. Java developers jobs freshers. Can you see this? Java developer job freshers. This is also one kind of a group. So here there are so many groups. See, Java developers and jobs, Java developers forum. Already one girl had posted here. So you are able to see. Deepti, job vacancies. Hyderabad location, position software developer, testing QA engineer, salary is 1.8. So likewise, we have already done a post. If we better join, our vacancy also will be seen by the others. So I'm just joining the group. Java developer and jobs, Java developer forum. If you click on see more, you will have different groups related to that. Java jobs. I'm again joining the group here. So almost 13 groups we have joined today. So we have done as of now for IT. Now we have another vacancy. I hope you have seen already. So just go to home page. We are posting Insuregram, which we have done already in LinkedIn. That we are going to post it for voice process right now for. So just paste it here. Same for 990. This is for voice process. You can also intimate that this is for BPO voice process. And just add this website, www.heisplacements.com. Just post it here. This is one more post which we have done. This is for non-IT. So you're able to see our posting. So related to that, what we have is BPO or voice process. So you can just type it as BPO jobs who are BPO jobs Hyderabad, who are seeking for voice process, who are graduates. So they can, the job seekers can view this posting in Facebook. See, already somebody had posted, see, hiring for telecaller in Swiggy, salary 13K, qualification, location Madhapur. So ours also, if we join the group, our posting also will be able to join. So join group. So we have joined this group. So the job seekers who's looking for jobs for BPO, they'll be able to see our post. Maybe in a few time. Again, we are posting one more online job portal, jobs in Hyderabad. So we have joined the group. So we have different, so many are there. Job freshers and experienced. Try to join the group. Hyderabad jobs. So daily one JD, if we post it, at least whatever, if they are looking for voice and voice, non-voice, they'll be choosing from our postings. As of now, we have an urgent requirement for telecaller for Insuregram and even for Java developers in Wipro. So we have posted 2 and we have joined almost 5 to 6 groups in on voice process for Insuregram. So join, you can view here, you are joined the group. So one more. Jobs in Hyderabad. As much as groups, we are able to join. So we have joined here. Thousands and thousands of people who are okay to relocate or who wants jobs in Hyderabad, they can very well seek us. The seekers can see here. So one more group. BPO jobs Hyderabad. Or you can add like voice process. Voice process. Hyderabad. There's so many are there. Jobs in Hyderabad, Geeta HR, non-voice process jobs. So there are different groups are there. One by one we can join. So there, whomever have posted, we can already see the postings who are there. So our postings also will be seen in this group. See more. So almost we have joined 8 groups. So again, there is one more group C, Hyderabad jobs. Join that group. So we have posted 13 to 14 in IT and 9 for non-IT. So hope you all understood. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts? Okay, fine. So So you can also create an ID and start posting it right from today. Okay, thank you everyone.